Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to set up direct deposit with Tangerine Bank. Yes, you can absolutely set up a direct deposit with Tangerine Bank. It's a straightforward process that you can complete online or through their mobile app. To get started, you'll need to provide your employer or whoever is sending you the direct deposit with your account information. This includes your institution number, transit number, and account number. The simplest way to find this information is by getting a direct deposit form or a void check. To find your direct deposit details, simply log into your Tangerine account online or on the mobile app. Navigate to your checking account and look for an option that says Direct Deposit or Void Check. From there, you'll be able to view, share, or download a PDF document that contains all the necessary banking information. Once you have this form or the details, you can provide it to your employer's payroll department. They will use this information to set up the direct deposit to your Tangerine checking account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.